इसराइल में अमरीकी सफ़ीर माइक हुकाबी ने खित्ते के वसी इलाकों पर इसराइली कब्जे को जायज़ करार दे दिया। एक इंटरव्यू में बावर कराया कि अगर इसराइल मशरिक़ वस्ता के वसी इलाकों पर कंट्रोल हासिल कर ले तो उन्हें कोई एतराज़ नहीं होगा। माइक हुकाबी ने गज़ा में 200 सहाफ़ियों की अमवात पर लाइल्मी का इजहार किया।
You've appealed to Genesis. Genesis 15 says it's Abram, it's pre-Abraham, it's Abram, receives from God the news that his descendants will inherit the land. And you tell me as the theologian if I'm getting this wrong, but from the Euphrates to the Nile. I think that's right. And that would include like basically the entire Middle East. That would be the Levant. So that would be Israel, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon. It would also be big parts of Saudi Arabia and Iraq. It would be, I mean,
I'm not sure it would go that far. I mean, it would be a big piece of land, but here's the point.
It would be a lot of places that are now countries.
But this particular area that we're talking about now, Israel, is a land that God gave through Abraham to a people that he chose. It was a people, a place, and a purpose. We can look at it that way.